Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how to prune citrus plants. Pruning is an ancient technique that has always been used for several years to give plants the perfect shape. There are different kinds of pruning we know. Green pruning, for example, during summer. Rejuvenation pruning, if we're talking about old plants. Pruning for yield, in order to increase and stabilize the fruiting of our plants. Today we're gonna show you 3 plants that need to be pruned. So we'll basically try to show you an ordinary pruning in order to give plants the perfect shape and the ability to produce as many fruits as they can. Follow me. Alright, here we are. So what do we need to prune our citrus plant? We only need a scissors. So we choose 3 different varieties. This one is a classic 4-season lemon. As you can see, there are long branches growing very long. The second variety we choose is a Yuzu. Yuzu is a special Japanese variety which is highly used in the kitchen. It's so fragrant, leaves are dark green in color, and the fruit is like a big mandarin. So aromatic. The third plant we choose is a variegated pink lemon, also called pink lemonade in the US. And this plant has been badly damaged by the cold, so we basically need to save it. Alright, it's time to prune. So we're just gonna start to cut our plant. Pay attention, this is so important. Look at this, I don't know if you can see it on the camera. This is a thorn, obviously, but this is called eye. Just like our eyes, this is the place where the plants will start to grow. It's so important. You should cut here or here. And we're just gonna cut here. Alright, so first of all we're gonna cut all of these long branches right here. Just like this one. And we're gonna cut it right here where it starts to grow. Same thing for this long branch. We're gonna cut it right here. So I don't know if you can see, but I'm already giving a plant a shape, a good shape. And let it be spherical, compact in shape. One of the main rules is that plants has to be opened inside. It is so important because sunlight has to come in. Rules are so important in pruning and depend on the shape you want to create. I remind you, in this case, the goal is to give the plant a globe spherical shape. So we continue to cut following the same advices I told you. Alright, it's time to prune the second plant. As I told you before, this is a Yuzu, which is highly fragrant. It's an amazing variety. It's also resistant to cold, as you can see. After 2 or 3 days of -3, it's still alive and is so strong and is so dark green, just like this, as you can see. And obviously it's a little bit thorny, yeah, as you maybe already know. So I'm just gonna start cutting long branches just like this I have in my hand. Just like this, and wow, it smells amazing, definitely. You should be so jealous of watching me right now. So we're just gonna give a shape trying not to kill myself because of the many thorns. Just like this. Wow! It's full of thorns. It's actually difficult to prune it. You can't believe how it smells right now. So we're basically just giving a good shape to start the spring. Another important thing is we have to eliminate these dried branches, just like this. Because plants need to be stimulated to start again. So I'm just trying to be honest, I don't really like pruning at all, because I like looking at plants with long branches, but it's important to give them a shape, because of the fruiting too, because I'm gonna cut all these big branches, which absorb the energy that could be used to produce fruit, so it's so important to eliminate them, just like this. Also cut right here. What we're gonna do with all of these leaves, don't throw them away. It's so important because they smell amazing. You can't believe it's a paradisiac. It seems to be in Japan in a sort of a 3-star restaurants. You can use them to aromatize fish, meat, different kind of recipes. I don't really know, but don't throw them away, please. Let's go with the last one. This one is a pink lemonade, also called variegated pink lemon, which is obviously variegated in leaves, but has a pink tense lemon, which is rare and very high in quality. This plant has been highly damaged by the cold. We need to cut it to start again during spring. So we have dried, here we have dried branches, just like this, and all of these little branches, little thorny branches. So we need to cut them right here. We need to open this plant inside. There's not that much to cut in this case. Don't be afraid of cutting. Plant needs to be stimulated. And that's a crucial thing. Also this one. So it may seem like the plant is actually dead, but it's not. It's so important because from here, and from here, plant will be stimulated to start again during spring. It's so important. Guys, we made it. If you have any questions or doubt, just ask. We're here to support you. We want to thank you for watching this video and see you again. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.